Hello, I'm Dr. Peter and welcome to my channel. Probably if you clicked here on this video, it's because you want to know more information about CLUCO-D, so if you want to know if it really works, if it's worth buying, I seriously recommend that you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to pass a very important warning to you, because many people are losing money with it, and I'm also going to reveal all the information you need to know before buying CLUCO-D. Watch to the end. If you suffer from type 2 diabetes problems and can no longer stand waking up every day sweaty under the covers, have intense headaches and body aches, inability to focus, blurred vision, fatigue, extreme hunger or thirst, dry mouth, swelling, and stomach cramps, CLUCO-D promises to end once and for all your diabetes problems, and know that it really works and will help you, all this in a healthy way and without putting your health at risk, because CLUCO-D is totally based on natural ingredients that do not cause side effects. So by using it correctly, you will soon notice the results and completely get rid of the problems that diabetes causes. Because it has been tested in rigorous laboratories and passed all tests, and thanks to the all-natural and powerful formula, many customers are having amazing results. What is CLUCO-D? CLUCO-D can help diabetics control their blood sugar without relying on prescription drugs, special diets, or other supplements. In fact, CLUCO-D claims to target the real cause of blood sugar fluctuations. According to the manufacturer, blood sugar and diabetes are not caused by diet and exercise habits, instead, they are caused by microorganisms in water pipes. By taking CLUCO-D daily, you can kill the microorganisms in your body that cause high blood sugar and diabetes. How does CLUCO-D work? CLUCO-D pills work by controlling cortisol levels in the human body and decreasing visceral fat storage. There are some advantages as well. It helps with appetite control. CLUCO-D has elements that help in the production of leptin, a hormone that controls hunger and makes sure you don't overeat. This means that you will be less hungry, more satiated, and consume fewer calories. Benefits of CLUCO-D: supports healthy blood sugar, cleanses and strengthens the gut, keeps blood sugar at normal levels. And I also want to make it clear, for you to really get results with CLUCO-D, you must use it every day. Take 1 capsule a day with a full glass of water. But use it daily without fail, otherwise you will not get results and that will be very frustrating. And my warning that I want to pass here for you is, very careful when buying the CLUCO-D, because there are many fake sites, and selling a fake product, and so the manufacturer decided to make available the sale of CLUCO-D only on its official site, and to help you not to fall into this scheme, I'll leave here in the description of this video the official site link for you to buy safely. When you buy from the official site you get several benefits. You get free shipping and also a super discount. 2 bottles of CLUCO-D costs $96, but if you want to make the best treatment and the best cost benefit, for sure 5 bottles is the best option. Each bottle goes for only $55. You get 50% off. Is not it amazing? With 5 bottles you will see amazing results. And also the CLUCO-D purchased from the manufacturer's official website has a 100% guarantee. That is, if you don't get results in this period, just request your refund on their website. Thousands of customers are getting results with CLUCO-D and are completely satisfied. So if you are tired of suffering with diabetes, CLUCO-D will help you end all your problems and you can revive your self-esteem and be satisfied with the results. I hope I helped you with this video. Thank you for watching until the end. If I helped you in any way, don't forget to leave your like here on this video. Bye.